We are at Elbow Falls today. Elbow Falls is by Bragg Creek, just outside of Calgary, about 45 minutes or so. We haven't been here in years and years. And if you were following along with our 22 waterfalls in 2022, well, we're only 5 months late. This would be our 22nd waterfall. The first time we came out here, I was in college, and it was, I don't want to say a college trip, but a bunch of us kids, let's say kids who were 25, 26, 27. We came out here with our spouses and our kids, and we brought a guitar, and we had a picnic, and I think the boys were 3 and 5 maybe, and now we're here with Jude, and he's just turning 2. What a fantastic memory this is. We're weaving in and out of the rocks along the river, and I'm gonna be honest, it's the most fun I've had in weeks. I just love this. This is amazing.
Oh, the last time we were here was when Grandma and Grandpa Tyerman had flown to Calgary. It was their first flight ever, and they came to visit us for a little while, and we came down here over in that area. I believe Abigail was in her stroller. She was just tiny. It was shortly after she was born and shortly before Grandpa died, so it's one of our last outings with Grandma and Grandpa Tyerman. Elbow Falls.
And just before my camera dies, I've got 6% left. I just need to say a couple of things. You know, I've been talking about this for a very long time, about legacy and about what we leave behind for our kids. Memories like this are fantastic, they're phenomenal, and we need to spend every time, every minute that we can making memories, because eventually that's all we're going to have. I'm looking at my daughter and my grandson, and they're such amazing people. She's turning into such a smart, fun, earth-conscious individual, and I love that about her. She's picking up garbage as we're walking back to the car. There's little things like that that really make a parent, extremely proud. So before we head back to the car, this is Elbow Falls.
Remember, while you're at provincial and national parks, don't litter, okay? Do you see how easy that was?
It's pretty easy.